Meningeal is we can get up. Knuckle is neck stiffness. You can do it. Neck stiffness, knuckle rigidity, you cannot do it. This is knuckle rigidity. Argo is Brzezinski. You flex the knee. When you flex the knee, you will bend his knee. Brzezinski is bending the brain, bending the knee. Tinted be well. Brzezinski. Now this is Brzezinski. Argo is burning. Same to line as your flex peroneum, extend peroneum. If he does that, you'll get a complaint of pain, plus you'll flex his knee. Try to flex the knee. This is the next sign. Wow. Cerebellar. So you should know the numerical vanished.
Vanished.
Vertigo. The patient will complain of vertigo. Vertigo or dizziness. What is the difference between dizziness and vertigo? Vertigo or dizziness? What do you mean by dizziness? The difference is dizziness only your head rotates, vertigo all the surrounding rotates. Vertigo. A for ataxia, ataxia, cerebral ataxia. N for check for whether there is nystagmus or no. We check for horizontal nystagmus, then we check for vertical nystagmus. N for nystagmus. I for intentional tremors. So, finger nostrils. N for S for speech. So they have a staccato speech, or there is a width of the words. Scanning result. जैसे आप किताब ले रहे हैं ब्रिटिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में दिल से ब्रिटिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऐसा दे स्कैन H for hypotonia होगा आपको you do a Gilson test H Gilson test करने को hypotonia होगा E for knee ऐसा होगा E for knee when it's on the loop. Pendular jerk. Pendular jerk means they move more than oscillation. Pendular means the pendulum more than 3 times. Normally, man, 3 times are going to उसको घुमाया गया होता है तो वहाँ कुटाया तो बड़ा E for the D for secure. This is what the cerebellar signs. यदि याद आते rebound phenomena, all this because of dysmetria type of. No,